Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Let's make nutritious food. Today we will prepare a healthy dosa. Add 1 cup of Bengal gram, 1 cup of black chana, 1 cup of black gram dal, 1 cup of urad dal. Add 1 cup of green moong dal and add 2 cups of rice. Now soak all these ingredients overnight. Next day morning, once again wash the dal and grind it. Now transfer the grinded dosa batter into a vessel. Add salt according to your taste. Mix it properly. You can make consistency by adding water. Now take a ladle full of batter and add it on the pan and give it a shape of dosa. These dosas are very healthy comparatively to the normal regular dosas which we eat. Add little bit of oil. If you ever get bored of eating the same routine dosa, please do try these healthy dosas. Heat the dosa. Once the dosa is roasted, transfer it into a plate. Now let's make a healthy chutney for this dosa. Let's make a chutney in combination with tomatoes and peanuts. Take a pan and add 2 cups of peanuts. Slowly roast the peanuts on low flame for 6 to 8 minutes. Once the peanuts are roasted, transfer the roasted nuts into a grinder. Again in the same pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add cumin seeds. Add 2 to 3 dry chilies. Add chana dal. Mix them well. Let them roast. Now add tomatoes, green chilies and garlic pods. Mix all the ingredients properly and cook on low flame for 5 to 6 minutes until tomatoes become soft. Add tamarind for tangy flavor. Close the lid and cook for a few minutes. Open the lid. Mix again. Add salt according to your taste. Mix well. Now finally add coriander leaves. Once again mix everything properly. Once again cover the lid and cook for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Tomatoes are cooked properly now. First, grind the roasted peanuts. Then add the cooked tomatoes. Add a little bit of water for grinding everything properly. Now grind it. Add water if needed. Mix everything properly. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video.